Are you totally pumped to dive into the world of Clickbank and unlock the secrets to making passive income in 2024? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey, revealing step by step how you can maximize your earnings through Clickbank. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, what exactly is Clickbank? For those new to this, Clickbank is an incredible online marketplace where product creators can sell their goods and where affiliates can promote these products to earn commissions. Yes, it's that place where your entrepreneurial dreams can turn into reality. And the best part? It allows you to earn money while you sleep, making it a perfect avenue for passive income. Now, let's set up your Clickbank account. It's simple. Head over to Clickbank's website, fill in your details, and you're part of the community. Next up, selecting profitable products. You want to choose products that not only interest you, but also have a high demand in the market. Look for those with high gravity scores. They're the hot sellers. Once you've picked your products, it's time to shout about them from the rooftops. Well, digitally speaking, promote them through your social media platforms, blog posts, and perhaps even YouTube channels. Remember, the key here is effective marketing. Engage your audience with compelling content that resonates. But it's not always smooth sailing. Many beginners face challenges like low conversion rates or the steep learning curve of understanding Clickbank analytics. Don't get discouraged. Every master was once a beginner, and every problem is a stepping stone to greater understanding and success. Once you are ready, then you can take your campaign live. Set up a niche-specific promotional campaign for a product you just selected. It may take a little time to get a sale, but that is part of business. Don't worry. You will always remember and cherish your first commission sale. See, it's totally possible to generate real income through Clickbank once you know how to play the game right. To wrap this up, remember, mastering Clickbank is not just about making quick money, it's about building a sustainable avenue for passive income. We've covered setting up your account, selecting the right products, promoting them effectively, and handling the challenges. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and start your journey towards financial freedom with Clickbank. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips, share your success stories in the comments below, and check out our next video for more insights. Together, let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet.